Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today we are gonna unbox a different thing, which is a mask. I've been getting the ads of this mask on my Instagram like back to back, so I thought I should order one. So it's a Frido Ultimate Pro. That's the best one they has to offer. So let's see what they have got. So this is the box which you will get. Frido, freedom to do more. This is just a normal cardboard box, nothing special, but I'm assuming there will be a good box right inside this one. Okay, so you get this black box which says Frido and Ultimate Pro Copper Mask. The box looks pretty good. So let's see what we have got here. Nothing much on the sides. Comfort and protection. So supremely breathable, droplet protection, antibacterial, washable and reusable, anti-fog, no slip. Then you have adjustable ear loops as well. So there is another box right underneath this one. So you got this fancy box with the package and a thank you card. So freedom to more. Hey, welcome to Frido family. Just like every other startup, you get this kind of card nowadays. A mask enable users to wear them for longer duration without any discomfort in fit and breathability. Rest you can read. Then you have a Frido card, like how you are supposed to wash it. Wash the mousse gently and with your hand. Do not put it in the washing machine. Use cold water and soap to remove the dirt and stains. Store in a clean and dry place. And do not iron the mask. Then these are the features of this mask. The power of copper, the most comfortable mask ever, anti-fog, mostly breathable, splash resistant, washable, conductivity and anti-static effect, antibacterial effect, and electromagnetic wave scattering effect. That's a lot. What else you could ask from a mask? And here we have the instructions how we are supposed to wear the mask. And before that, I was not aware about that there are some instructions to wear a mask properly. So you can take a screenshot of this one. You can wear any mask with these instructions. Then we have a thank you card. Thank you. You are ultimate. We would love to see how you display on your purchase, so you can share your Insta reels and stuff like that. Then here we have the mask. The MRP is $6.99 something and I got like 20% off or something. I'm not sure about the MRP, but there was a coupon code something like Pro20 or something like that. I will mention in the description. You will get 20% off. The price is $15.99. Sorry, yeah, there was a 50% off. On top of that, I got the discount as well. Obviously this mask is nowhere worth 1500, but still, let me show you. Well, it's a pain to open this one. So this is the mask, which is like 500 or 600 bucks after the enormous discount. So the fabric feels pretty good. It's not bad or anything like that, but you are paying for a mask like 500 for a mask, and it's not even N95 or something like that. So this one does seem pretty good in the hand, comfortable, breathable, we will see about that. On top of that, it's a black one, so I like the black color, so that's the reason why I ordered this one as well. So here are two other masks which I have, like 3-ply or 3-layer mask. The blue one, normal one, which you would find on any of the medical store, and the other one. This one also have a nose clip. Same goes for the black one. Here the blue one is more breathable as compared to black one for some reason, but these are the two ones which I'm using on a daily basis, like use and throw. And here we got the one. You will easily get like 100 masks for this price if you buy from Amazon, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, here we have the ear loops. You can change the fit accordingly. And there is a brand logo, Frido. So this is how it looks like in the good lighting room. And yes, I got the AirPods Pro with the MagSafe, so I'm gonna post the unboxing and review after a week or so. So hit the subscribe button and bell icon as well to get the update. And yes, it is pretty breathable and it's good as compared to the other one. And there's one more feature which was mentioned on the website, that for the people who wear specs, this one is gonna be pretty good. So it is pretty good, but not that great. So I will drop the description with the promo code which I've got via email, and this video is not sponsored, but if that promo doesn't work, you can use my referral link and you will get like 15% off, 15, not 50. So if you have any questions or anything, do let me know in the comment section below, and thank you so much for watching this video.